Oh, hello there. Well, I'm back out here in rural America again on what is a sunny but windy day, and that's why I'm progressively looking like I'm turning into a walking advertisement for Bass Pro Shops. But anyway, on a beautiful summer day like this, there's nothing better than coming out to your patio and having a nice cold beverage. But of course, in order to get out to your patio, gotta have a screen door, and sometimes we slide our screen door and gets real jammed up. And you know, we just think to ourselves, it's not a big deal, go ahead, keep doing that. But there's actually a very easy way to get your screen door right back on track and sliding smoothly. So that's why today I'll be showing you how to get your screen door sliding smoothly on its track.
First, take a flathead screwdriver, or you could even grab a butter knife from your kitchen. Identify the areas where the track is out of place and take the screwdriver or knife, lift up, and use it to push the wheel properly into the track. Then, look at it slide. Since my giant head with my awesome hat was in the way, here's a close-up of what you need to do. Notice you lift up, exposing the wheel, and then you can use the tool to push the wheel into the track. If you used a butter knife, make sure to not use the same knife to spread cream cheese on your celebratory bagel after the job is done.